The classic club sandwich.
Okay, let's get to work on this great classic club sandwich. I always prepare my raw ingredients last. So here you'll see me butterflying my chicken. This way it's going to allow it to cook a little bit more evenly and faster. The thinner the chicken, the faster the cook time. Very important to spice it up. So I'm using a great mixture here. A whole bunch of C's, coriander, cumin, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. A great combination. Make sure you season this chicken very thoroughly on both sides. When you think you've seasoned enough, season it a little bit more. All right, I'm using some avocado oil in that pan today. We'll go ahead and lay this chicken in there. Make sure it's spread out. And I like to cover it a little bit quicker on the cook time when I do that. Nice and golden brown. We'll give that a turn and we'll let that finish cooking. Smells delicious. Very, very fragrant. I love this combination of spices, especially when putting it into a sandwich. A little bit of butter in that same pan so we can toast up our bread. That's a little bit of a trick. That bread is going to soak up all that flavor from the chicken we just cooked. The great part is while we're toasting our bread, our chicken is having some time to rest before we slice into it. So although I butterflied that chicken earlier on, I'm going to go a little bit thinner for this sandwich. That way, when it comes to construction time, I can layer that chicken right into my sandwich. I already have some pre-cooked bacon as well. Okay, let's get to work. Our bread is nice and toasty. We'll layer in some mayo. Spread that around. Do me a favor as well, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see more great, easy recipes. We have lettuce, tomatoes for our classic club sandwich. And of course, the most important part, I call this the star of the show, our chicken. Here it comes. We'll layer that in. It's going to be a nice, thick sandwich. Don't be shy. Stack that chicken high. And of course, the classic club sandwich would be incomplete without layering in some cheese. So today I am using sliced cheddar cheese. Add in as much as you want. 2 slices are great. You want to put 4, go for it. Make it your own masterpiece. And of course, I have some nice crispy bacon. I finish my sandwich off with some mustard.
Oh no.
But my supply was low. Oh no. Don't forget the top, the lid, and let's slice it up. And it's taste testing time in just a second. When making my club sandwich, I love using fresh chicken like this, not the processed meats. Flavored up, spiced up, warm chicken is just fantastic in this club sandwich. I hope you give this a try and enjoy.
Boom! I love a good club sandwich. This one's a great one. Please also remember, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button so you can see more easy recipes, great recipes, and you can follow along and we can cook together. The classic club sandwich. Wow. Until next time, happy cooking. So good.